Hello, welcome. Okay, so today we are going to learn about grammar not plus anybody, so anyone, anything, so they use negative verb, and in here we have nobody, no one, and nothing. Okay, so first of all, um, this is very easy actually. What you are going to do is if you have a not, or if you have negative verb like there is not, they do not, or anything, you only put anybody, anyone, anything. But if you have positive verb, bukan positive sentence but positive verb, you put nobody, no one, nothing. Kayak gimana sih contohnya? Let's see the example. Okay, so I want you to notice. Kemarin Miss bilang, Miss kan positif kita pakai some. Kenapa pakainya nobody? Okay, so I want you to notice, ya. There is somebody in front of the door. This mean positive thing. Berarti artinya tuh positif. Dimana yang artinya tuh ada seseorang di depan pintu. Okay, so this is positive. Ada orangnya. But if it is negative, kita bisa pilih salah satu, boleh pakai anybody, boleh nobody. Jadi walaupun dia kalimatnya positif, tetap dia dipakai nobody itu untuk mengatakan dia negatif. Negatifnya apa? Berarti tidak ada orang. There is not anybody in front of the door. Tidak ada orang di depan pintu. Kita pakai anybody kalau dia ada not. Ya, tapi intinya tetap dia itu negatif, tidak ada orang. Beda sama somebody yang artinya ada orang. There is nobody in front of the door. Tidak ada orang di depan pintu. Artinya jadi number one and number two are same. Artinya sama, hanya penggunaannya yang berbeda. Kalau anybody ada not, kalau nobody yang tidak ada notnya. Okay, so let's look the other example. Okay, so here we have negative verb, ya, positive verb. Di sini artinya, ingat, di sini artinya sama-sama tidak ada, ya. Jadi there isn't anybody in this class. There is nobody in this room. Tidak ada siapapun di dalam kelas ini. Tidak ada siapapun di ruang ini. Sama aja. Intinya if we have not, we put anybody. We put nobody because this is positive. Yang maksudnya di sini itu kita mau bilang tidak ada. Ya, next. I don't know anyone here. We have not. Kita punya not, ya. Jadi saya tidak tahu siapapun di sini. Kita juga bisa bilang I know no one here. Ya, kita juga bisa bilang I know no one. Kalau di sini pakai don't, kita bisa hapuskan don't-nya tapi pakai no. Okay. There is nothing in my bag. Jadi kita bisa bilang there isn't anything in my bag misalnya, atau ini terserah. Ya, yang penting kalau dia tidak ada not, kita pakai nothing. Kalau ada not-nya pakai anything. There is no one in that house. Jadi boleh kita buat there isn't, atau dia sama seperti ini juga, ya. There isn't anyone in that house. Berarti tinggal dibuat negatif. There isn't anyone in that house. She cannot remember anything. Berarti kalau mau buat pakai no gimana? Berarti she can, jangan pakai not. She can remember and nothing. Sorry, she can remember nothing. Kalau mau pakai anything dibuat negatif, ininya she cannot remember anything atau she can't remember anything. He said nothing. Berarti kalau mau pakai anything bisa dong. He did not, ya, karena dia verb to kita pakai did not. He did not say anything. Please don't tell the secret to anybody. Okay. Please bisa, ya, kita buat. Berarti please tell the secret to nobody. Jadi bisa ya, yang pasti harus dihilangin, nggak boleh dia ada double not gitu. Nobody is in the class, bisa dibuat negatif, bisa. Yang pasti kalau anybody itu dia nggak bisa jadi subjek ya, kita mungkin butuh kayak there is atau there isn't anybody in that class, seperti itu. Oke, nah ya seperti ini ya. Number one, there isn't anybody in this class, jadi dibuatnya nobody is in the class. Okay, so let's do the exercises. Okay, so let's do the exercises. There isn't anything in the bag. Jadi kita kalau mau pakai nobody, no one, nothing, ingat ya, nobody, no one itu untuk yang orang, nothing itu untuk yang benda. Jadi there isn't anything, kita hapus not-nya, dibuat jadi there is nothing in the bag. There isn't anybody in the office, jadi ini mudah. There is nobody in the office. Okay ya, very easy right? Okay, so the rest sisanya please do it by yourself. Okay, next part 2. In here we have to put anybody, anyone, anything. Remember kalau dia ada anybody, anyone for people, anything for thing atau benda. Okay, there is nothing in the bag, so we can make it, please change it into negative word, jadi there isn't anything in the bag. I've got nothing to read. Berarti have ini ingat ya, have itu yang ada HVE-nya itu have. Jadi I haven't got, yes, anything to read ya. Anything to read. Okay. Okay, itu dia. Next, part 3. In here kita tinggal jawab pertanyaannya pakai nobody, no one, atau nothing. Okay, what do you want? Apa yang kamu mau? Okay, oh, ada pertanyaan. Apa yang kamu katakan? Gak ada, nothing. Okay, who saw you? Ya, siapa yang melihat kamu? Gak ada, tidak ada orang melihat saya, jadi nobody. What do you want? Gak ada, gak adanya kan ini benda ya, jadi nothing. Who did you meet? Siapa yang kamu temui? Nggak ada, berarti ini termasuk orang, nobody. Atau mau pakai no one juga boleh. Okay, that's yang ini, yang 1A. Ini sekarang kita mau jawab ya, tapi kita mau pakai mau pakai yang I don't ya, atau I didn't, atau yang kalau dia jadi subjek pakai nobody. Okay, I didn't say anything ya, karena dia pakai didn't ya, kita pakai anything. Kalau dia jadi subjek berarti subjeknya itu ada nobody saw me ya. Okay, number 3A. I don't apa? I don't want ya, nothing berarti jadi karena ada not jadi apa? Anything. I didn't apa ini sebabnya meet, nobody jadi anybody ya, seperti itu. Okay, for part 4. Untuk yang part 4 nanti kita mau bahas bersama-sama ya, jadi Miss kasih tahu cara ngerjainnya. I went out of the house, saya keluar, tidak ada yang melihat saya, karena dia jadi subjek berarti nobody ya, nobody saw. Okay, Jack has a bad memory, he can't remember anything. Kenapa anything? Karena dia tidak bisa mengingat apapun gitu ya, because we have not ya, yang diingatkan sesuatu jadi anything ya. So for the rest nanti sisanya silahkan dikerjakan sendiri, nanti kita bakal bahas ini lewat voice call ya.